Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Western Union. First thing I want you to do is just launch the PayPal app and then come here, click on a transfer on your PayPal balance, click on transfer to bank, and what we're going to do, we're going to transfer it to our bank account and then we'll do on Western Union. Okay, first it needs to go to your bank account. It cannot go directly to Western Union. So first you transfer to your bank account. Okay, enter the amount you want to transfer and then proceed further. And once you're done with this, we'll go to Western Union. All right, now that you've transferred it to your bank account, let's say depending on your country, like for example, Equity Bank, Diamond Trust Bank, and then what you do is you go ahead and make the transaction here. You send money and basically you send the receiver, right, the MTCN, and then they'll be able to choose, right, which account number in which they wish to receive their money. So that is all you have to do. Really that easy. Found this helpful. Make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.